I'm going to show you my complete workflow using AI to go from concept to a working application. This isn't just a coding tutorial. This is how modern developers actually work in 2026. In this video, we'll cover how to use AI for product planning and requirements. By the end of this video, you will see how AI can 10x your development speed without compromising on quality. So if you're ready, just sit tight and let's build something amazing. Now let me break down the 6 steps in the tax-aware pricing structure. In the 6 step, we're going to look at them critically. Step 1 to step 6, then I'll give you a bonus. Step 1 is to determine the true costs. And what is that? What do I mean by true cost? It's simply the supplier price, shipping cost, packaging cost. Now, when you get this together, the calculation is very simple. The supplier plus shipping plus packaging determines the true cost actually. So when you look at that, the next step, which is step 2, says apply operating cost buffer. How do you do that? Now, your operating cost buffer is 3% of the true costs. Then that simply means that your total cost will now become the true cost plus your buffer. All right. Now, step 3 says calculate desired profit. Calculate desired profit is simple. Your profit margin, simply 10% of total costs. To establish tax buffer, what you simply do is 15% of desired profit gives you your tax buffer. You know how the tax is in Nigeria. Now, number 5 is to identify protected final cost. Protected final cost means this is the cost that you will not go below. To find out that, the calculation is simple. Your total cost plus your tax buffer, which is absolute minimum selling threshold. Remember, this is the absolute minimum selling threshold. Then we'll go ahead to step 6 that gives us how to set your final selling price. So the calculation is simply your protected final cost plus desired profit. So the outcome will become your final amount presented to the customer. So with all this, the example is just simple. It's like true cost is your fuel for destination. Your operating buffer is your extra fuel canister. While tax buffer is the highway toll money. While your PFC, total cash needed to avoid debt. Now selling price is now total cash plus meal money. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and build this automation. First step is planning. I'm using Claude for this because it excels at structured thinking and documentation. I'm also going to upload this pricing formula image and ask Claude to help me create a comprehensive plan using this prompt. Let me read the prompt out to you. Here's a pricing formula I want to automate. Can you create a detailed implementation plan for building a web application that helps Nigerian businesses price their products using this system? Include system architecture, core features, database design, security consideration, development phases, monetization strategy. Make it production ready, not a tutorial project. And look at this. Just in few seconds, Claude just generated a complete product plan with database schemas, user workflows, security considerations, even a monetization strategy. This would have taken me hours to think through, but AI gave me a solid foundation in seconds. Now I can review this, adjust what doesn't make sense, and move forward with confidence. What I will do next is that I'm going to save the important parts, the database structure, the calculation logic, the tech stack recommendation. This becomes our source of truth. Now let's create a proper product requirement document. This is what professional teams use, and AI makes it super easy. I'll go back to Claude and then I'll put in this prompt. Based on this plan, create a PRD, product requirement document, for the MVP phase. Include user stories, functional requirements, non-functional requirements, success metrics, out of scope items. Format it professionally. And Claude starts immediately writing the PRD. Now, as you can see, Claude is being very, very detailed. Very, very detailed, I must say. Claude is very, very detailed. So I'm going to fast forward this so that I don't waste your time in this video, because Claude is taking a little bit of time to make sure that it gets all the details in. So I'm going to just fast forward it and take us to the end. I'm guessing that, this looks beautiful already, because now we have stories like, as a business owner, I want to input my product cost and automatically get a selling price that protects my profit margin from taxes. I love that. Again, as a user, I want to see a step-by-step breakdown of how my price was calculated. This is what makes this app this web app that we're building take. I mean, this guides our development. Every feature we build should map back to our user story. Okay, so at the end of this now, I'm just going to save this PRD and then we can move on to designing with AI. The next video, I'm going to show you how we're going to set up the back end and take this project to life. So we're going to do the production of the back end and set up everything we need to do, the testing, the debugging, and everything will be in the next video. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section of this video. I'll also leave links to other projects in the description of this video. If there's something else you want me to build, kindly just leave it in the comment section and I will attend to it.